Alex Jagadich. Some of the guys like to call me AJ because we got a few Alexes on the team. From Lincoln, Nebraska, been living in Omaha for about 13 years. Been with Pierson about 11 years on the design team. So I work directly with the market managers and directors, taking in their projects that they get from our customers and assigning them to my team, making sure my team knows the objectives, the scope of work, and then helping my team with the technical aspect of the designs, answering questions they have. iBwave is the software we use to design the system. Like I said, 11 years of using that program. I know it in my sleep, so pretty much most questions I can help answer. Another aspect is trying to grow the business of the design team on our own. We have lots of experience with our customers. They know some of the designers by name. They've worked with them for many years. You know our guys, they're the best, and if you got a challenging project, come to us and we'll help you get it done. From a high level view, it seems like every single job we do is the same, but when you really get down to the technical piece of it, there's a lot of different things that we deal with, and it's fun to take a blank floor plan and put in the system or solution that we're working towards and really planning it out to make it work, and then seeing that, after the operations team completes it, seeing it work, and just having another great customer satisfied on our end and hopefully doing more projects with them. Not many people live without a phone or could really go through a day without their phone. So just the base of just using your phone and having connectivity is pretty essential to normal day life. And then, the way more technical and crazy things that we could do with this technology is really exciting. Your wireless, our mission.